Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. We are again here with our today's video. Now for your next art, simply cut this top part and make an imprint of the roses on the circular sheet like this, and your bouquet of roses will be ready. As you can see how beautiful and how aesthetic it looks. Start drawing this on a sheet like this with the help of a black marker, and after doing so, you can make this cutie pie or this cute duck with the help of very few easy steps. Don't forget to draw the other outlines on this, and you are done with this art. Make lines like this on a sheet, and well, these lines are to be converted into branches along with some green leaves. After drawing the leaves, you have to take another strip and simply make a bird and place it on a circular sheet like this. After making different birds, you can place them, and don't forget to add clouds there too. Spread some glue over a black sheet and then take these paper balls and start placing them on that. After placing them, you have to make this Santa like this. After drawing this Santa, draw a tree too, and well, this snowy appearance of this art will look really great. Don't forget to make some gifts also. Take a cardboard and scrap it. Now follow the steps as being shown in this video, and you will get a very beautiful art ready within just few easy steps. Take a clay ball and start making these small floral birds just like this, and after making it, you have to place them on the top of the branches and your art will be ready. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching this video.